Hello everyone, this is Ocam. While the decline in the Beihai LNG prices reflects short-term supply-demand dynamics, the global LNG market will undergo a more profound structural transformation. After 2026, the growth on the supply side will drive the market to officially enter an oversupply cycle, with supply growth continually to outpace demand growth. This trend will fundamentally reshape the domestic and the international LNG trade patterns. The structural transformation in the global LNG market will directly impact China's domestic supply through trade channels, triggering a series of challenges in import patterns and price system. This shift presents both new opportunities and challenges for the market. The most direct impact is the continuous increase in the supply of domestic LNG export resources. Global oversupply means that LNG export resources in the international market will be more abundant and the spot prices will more likely remain at a low level, which forms a sharp contrast with the long-term existing domestic LNG import long-term constructive prices. In the future, some long-term constructive prices may be higher than spot price. This price inversion phenomenon will completely change China's domestic import structure. In the past, China's domestic LNG imports were mainly dominated by first-tier enterprises such as the three major oil companies and dependent on the long-term constructive resources. However, as spot prices gain predominance, second and third-tier importers are becoming more proactive. These companies increasingly prefer flexible spot procurement to control costs, and it's projected that the proportion of LNG imports sourced through spot markets will rise significantly between 2026 to 2030, leading to a more diversified landscape in China's LNG import sectors. More LNG data review and future outlook. Subscribe now. Global Natural Gas Market Annual Report and China Natural Gas Market Annual Report and China LNG Market Annual Report, China Natural Gas Sourcing and Trading Annual Report, China LNG Barking Market Annual Report.